Nice.
Hello. All right, so we have 4 different hilts for you guys today. All my pockets are busy. There we go. Okay, so we have the elemental nature.
Oh my goodness.
We have the peace and justice option. We also have the power and control, and we have the protection and defense. Would you like to see it one more time?
Can I get just comparison of these two?
Perfect.
Can you do protection and defense?
You would like to do protection and defense?
I will act in elemental nature.
Elemental nature. Perfect. So I'm going to be giving you this, and you're going to be presenting that over there for them. So elemental nature and protection and defense.
Let's see that. So here it is. There we go, elemental.
So let's look. I'm just gonna say this right now. Me and him are gonna be building something. I don't know what yet. The first order is a lot of first order people around here, so I'm not gonna say what we're building, but we're building something. I'll just show you that. All right. I'll just show you that. Why don't you show them that?
Oh.
I don't know what we're building. I have no.
All right. After
Rising moons, everyone.
Rising moons. Now after many hours, we're here.
Many moons, man.
Many moons means many months. I don't know. I don't know.
We're on Galaxy's Edge, right?
Yeah, exactly. We are now in line to finally build our custom lightsabers.
Shh, keep it down, keep it down. First orders around here.
So we've got
Our custom
special
lightsabers.
pins.
This is peace and resistance. Super secret.
Appointment cards, please. Appointment cards, please.
Welcome, guys. Rising moons. Are we clear?
Thank you.
Okay, right over here, next builder. Next builder, right here.
Welcome, builders. I apologize for my behavior out there, but you know, in these times, you can't never be too careful. But I'm glad you're all here today. Please, take a look around. Let me know what you think.
Looks great.
I know, it's nothing. It's a lot of clutter, a lot of dust, a lot of junk. But for us, this is everything. I'm Tyler. I'm Eddie. And my name is Carlos. And humbly, we call ourselves the Gatherers. We have been through many places in the galaxy, forgotten outposts, worn-torn planets, and we have gathered many different metals, ancient relics, and everything that we find, we bring here for all of you. You see, if a stormtrooper were to walk inside, all they see is clutter and a lot of junk. But for us who are in the know, this is everything. We are in troubled times. And perhaps you have heard of the legends of the Jedi? And the Jedi, Luke Skywalker, right?
Yes!
And there's a new Jedi. You know her name?
Right?
Rey, yes, Rey. Our
her
spark
lightsaber.
of hope. And she heard a call, and so did you, and that's why you're here. But you're also here to build this. The lightsaber. The lightsaber is beautiful and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber, it's a form of art. It has been held by the greatest of the Jedis and the darkest of the foes. It is the connection between the Force and its builder, and it lets the Force flow through you. And builders, today you will be able to feel that connection. And it all starts with this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of your blade. In our journeys, we gatherers have collected 4 crystals for you. And we'll start with blue. The blue Kyber crystal, once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, once held by Ahsoka Tano, Qui-Gon Jinn, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, once held by Master Mace Windu. And red. Red is the crystal of power, once held by Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But builders, all of that is history. We're here today for you and your future. Builders, please, if I can have everyone close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, what color do you see? Which crystal calls your name? What will be the color of your blade? Builders, open your eyes and grab your crystal.
A wise choice.
Wise choice, Thomas.
A strong choice.
Very strong choice.
If now that all of you have your crystals with you, I will ask you to please place on the green holder in front of you. Now, the crystal must go somewhere. And we're going to be distributing right now the pieces that you need to build your hilt. You see, your hilt is the center of control. It is what will be holding your crystal. It is the foundation of your lightsaber. They look like a lot of pieces, kind of difficult, but together we will explore them. All right, builders. In front of you, you have a chassis. You have a set of mirrors. You also have your sleeves and grips, and you have your pommels. And at the end, you have your activation plates. Builders, if at any time you need our assistance, we will be here for you. Now, are you ready? Yes. All right. Are you ready? Let's build.
Builders, so first we're going to start with our chassis.
Yes.
On your chassis, there's slots, and on the slots it says downwards in your hand. You're going to take your finger, and there's a springy portion of your chassis. That is where your Kyber crystal is going to go. Stand straight up.
Put your finger in here. You will feel a
Your
spring.
Kyber crystal
You
stand
feel
straight up
that
in there.
spring?
It should light up and sing.
Your crystal
It
will
does not
roll
let
in
you know.
between. So you can hold your crystal.
It's in. Oh, almost. Down goes the Kyber.
Once you got it in there, just to make sure it's nice to be like that. Wonderful job, builder.
It's in.
Wonderful. So next we're going to start with the grip. So each grip has a thicker rim on it. You want that thicker rim to face towards your Kyber crystal. It will protect your Kyber crystal. So on every set there's a thicker rim. You want it to face towards your Kyber crystal.
Pick.
Yes. Go
What
ahead
do you
and
choose, Thomas?
Thick. The thicker part is this the thicker part?
Where do you get to choose?
Believe that.
Which one's the thicker part? I think you get to choose. It's out of those ones.
This one and this one, right?
I think it's those two. You have to choose between those two. It's from the number one. You have to choose. Which of those two would you like to use?
You want this thick rim to face towards your Kyber crystal. It will protect it. Okay. So you're going to choose one of these pieces now.
Oh,
Or the ring.
you have to decide. That's afterwards.
No, but like I'm trying to envision all of it together, right?
Go ahead, take your time.
Still holding your legs.
It's round two?
You're going to choose one piece of your number 1 and 2. Whichever you like.
I think, I don't know.
Yeah, that she said those ones. Yeah, go at the bottom.
So these, this
You going with that one, Thomas?
Alright.
Oh my God, it keeps on focusing.
Over for me? Yes, just like that. So you're going to choose one of the open hole pieces for me. Go ahead and flip it on.
Yes.
It will be a little loose, that's okay. So we're going to flip it over. You're going to choose one more grip for me.
And that will
Is that from two?
You use.
Yes, remember the thick rim facing your Kyber crystal.
Or do I want this one?
Oh, you get to choose it out of those ones again, huh?
Yes, yes. I do like the wood. I like the wood.
Yes.
Which one, Josue? It's all you, dude.
I did engravings on it. There was like a yellow
Alright.
one, but
It's got engravings and no one can tell what it says.
No, it's actually.
Choose one more grip. Again, after that,
Take that one.
I have chosen. I believe that I've chosen the wood and the binds. Yes.
Natural. And Josue, what have you chosen?
so I've chosen this like engravings with this kind of gold accent on it, and of course my red Kyber crystal.
yes.
You thief.
So wonderful. these two pieces for me. Wonderful, builder. You're gonna choose one of these two.
One of those two.
Definitely this one. Or this one. Oh man. I don't know. I feel like this would be, ooh. Because I feel like this, it's just more wood on wood, right? This one shows diversity.
You're gonna choose one of your activation plate sets. So on here, you have a red and a blue, and on the inside of your activation plates are also red and blue dots. They'll match together like a puzzle.
Okay, I see.
It is one set.
One set.
So which one would you want to go with? Oh, they're both like the same kind of. Except for the curves at the bottom. Oh no, they're the exact same.
So the red would be clicking into the red.
Yes.
And the blue would click in.
Oh, it's metal.
Oh, it's metal.
Yeah, you can turn it up.
Okay, I think maybe this one needs to be better.
You can take it up or not?
No.
You can change the pieces if you like or hold up.
Hold it nice and tight.
Oh, I heard it. It is metal.
Oh.
So why is it loose right now? Did they tighten up afterwards?
Tighten it all together.
It's only one set.
You work, so when the time comes to activate, this is how you activate. Alright.
Here, you're gonna lay him down there, and I'm gonna.
Good job, Billy.
Oh my god,
How are we
yes.
doing over here? Do you mind if I take a look?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Alright, looks great.
Great job, builder.
Alright, so when the time comes to activate, this is how you
Give it a
activate.
nice-
Alright? Are you satisfied with your selection? Perfect, great job, Builder. Thank you.
This is gonna be your activation switch when the time is right.
Okay.
Everyone did such a wonderful job. It's like you didn't even need me here. You guys are out for my job?
No, not at all. Not at all. That's not our calling.
Yes, your calling is to wield this for us because I can't. So, you know we pull these teeth from the Rancors ourselves?
Right.
Well, not me, because I'm not brave. Carlos over here has pulled... Oh, I'm so sorry.
She's just very nervous.
This is exactly why I don't pull them myself. Because I will drop them. So
I had to do it.
He does it because I do exactly what I just did. Drop it and break it.
Beautiful. My personal favorite. I have one just like this. May I? Of course. It's exquisite, isn't it? These are the rarest of relics that we do gather. Job well done. I see we didn't go with the Rancor too.
No, not this time.
That's okay. It does have cavities.
I see wonderful hills in front of me. You guys all did an amazing job. However, we are in the most dangerous part of our journey right now, so please, everybody take a giant step back, especially if you're on the side of Eddie. What we're doing right now, my fellow gatherers are placing your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. This requires a very steady hand. We do not want any more accidents, right, Eddie?
Stay back. I'm prone.
Eddie's been fine. How about you, Tyler? Is it okay over there?
I'm very clumsy today, so I told them to take a bigger step back.
Okay, yes.
I would take a bigger step back if I were you as well. We all saw what happened a moment ago, right? It could happen again, except it could make a hole in the wall.
You see those holes in the ceiling? I think most of them are from Kyber.
Yes, I wouldn't doubt that.
All right, builders. We're almost time to...
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are drawing, much more they will become. It is time.
Wow. Master Yoda. Builders, the Force must be strong with you today. And yes, indeed, it is almost time. In a moment, together, we will take a step forward, place our hands on our hilts, not just yet, and together we will activate. Builders, take a step forward. Place your hands on your hilts.
Don't activate yet.
And let's activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate your sabers. Congratulations. Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for allowing us to be part of your journey. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. For your new saber's protection, we are pleased to present to you with a saber sheath as you depart. Builders, unfortunately, our time is at an end. But your journey is just beginning. It is your time to leave your mark in the galaxy. Perhaps one day, I will be telling your stories. Now, as we say here in Batu, till the spire.
Till the fire.
Hit it. Don't break it.
Oh my god, I'm so worried. Okay, we're gonna get in trouble. All right, back to back. And there you have it. That about does our experience building lightsabers.
Yeah,
that was
amazing.
Fantastic.
I teared up a little bit because this has been just a big dream of mine, and I feel like a big dream of any Star Wars fan to just go through and build your own lightsaber in a kind of like almost, I don't want to say it, but like religiously way.
It was so,
and it just felt so amazing. And like you saw in the video when we all rose up in the air.
That was amazing.
It's worth every penny.
I think it's worth it. Honestly, yeah.
Every penny.
Yeah, so if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button.
You're on the channel, please subscribe for more content at Galaxy's Edge.
Absolutely, and make sure to hit the playlist down below if you want to stay up to date on all of our Star Wars videos.
Word.
And we'll see you in a galaxy far, far away.